I need them now. Line says silent. I'm going now.
And you know they know when they go off now that they team with you.
The DJ. That will enter.
You are really ready for him. The DJ, you brought AK-47 to a cutlass fight.
I'm going to do video. Don't worry. No worry.
All right, yes. So Ladipo and Benson on top of that one, feeling the title of that song. When they talk, say Esepe, Ojukpe, and across the bridge of this morning, they talk about because we get the first voice and Lady JJ on top across the bridge this morning. And I don't know. The moment I noticed the both of now they come, I was just happy.
Why are you happy?
I just want to say the conversation with very sweet.
What you go this sweet about him?
We represent on top the first voice and I go sprinkling in whole first voice effects. You know, to the conversation this morning. Now I just stay happy. Say the first voice the year. Yes, now.
Don't come up by the one. No time down.
Not the way you come up by it. Just be like say you don't talk something. You don't talk something wrong. So you want no time down so that you will say I don't talk. I say see I write time for you.
You guys should try and step up so that I go be rich man. You know, rich man but you say now I want write check.
Oh wow.
Check on top newspaper.
Why no BBC I just want write say the DJ send your account.
Hey, you don't come with shade.
Now when two poor men sit down.
Oh, wait. Now when two poor men
sit down, I one person they suspect the other person.
Oh my God.
So another person drink. You understand now?
Hey,
this food
no problem.
The other man wife don't bring they suspect the food because they make the owner of the house eat first. But when me and my guys like then hotel dollar and don't with the hang out, we don't do like that. The moment somebody bring out the pen, you know say one right.
Check.
You want write something where to bring money. You understand?
Money talks.
Money talks actually. Money talks.
When money they talk, at the end of the day.
God go make us because this one Baba go they talk.
Now shade now.
Good idea.
Which idea?
No, this shade pass shading.
They say they give checks these days. I think say na transfers now they do that.
You get some kind of money na check go on now. Yes, get some kind of money. You understand? You go see right check. Say okay, just you understand.
Okay.
Now wow, it is well.
It is well, oh.
Now wow.
May we be rich. We will all be rich. We will all be rich. No wala.
I bet waiting that they call the generation after Gen Z.
Who be Gen X?
Gen X.
Who be Gen X they call them?
What happen?
So Gen Z don't finish now. Without that Gen X.
Because the children already.
Gen Z no go like them. They don't like hear that thing.
What happen?
When they go come out now.
Lady J. Lady
You be
J.
millennials.
No.
Millennials are for 2000 and
so what will be?
Born in the 70s.
Waiting will be.
Lady J, you a boomer. She na boomer, be na bloomer.
Okay, the boomer, I get late bloomer.
You know be Lady J, don't be millennial. Stop it.
I will be stop it. Everything happen.
So the generation after Gen Z, they say they be generation Alpha. So they be Gen Alpha.
Gen
so
Alpha.
Gen X, yes.
Okay, Gen Alpha.
Gen X.
I
will not get Gen X.
Wait now. I will let you know how the consequence. I say consequence. The sequence be millennials are born between 1980 and 1994.
So we're not even reach millennials.
So we are millennials. So now not be millennials.
What will be the generation before millennials?
So did make a check? I think if they call you people boomers or something like that. Well, let me see. Gen X. Now then be Gen X. You know what? Let us check to be very very sure. 1981 to 1996 millennial, 1965 to 1980 now be Gen X.
So that be Gen X. So we get sweet name like that.
Yeah.
Gen X.
Gen X. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, not say they go born me that period. I made them put that kind of sweet name. Gen X.
Oh my God. Ode.
That was
everything sweet. I think I say somebody go be first voice. You cannot just give him any. You know, say I'm Gen X.
Waiting to millennial. Millennial too sweet.
Millennial be like people they beg.
Jesus.
Now you look for one
Millennial.
Gen X. Now everything that happen where tech and everything they call it Gen Z. They say put Gen our generation they cannot come give these people because even though we don't get all these tech devices that time, our sense like Gen X.
But you need to know, say millennials now then they look younger past their age. Hope you know. Say now we dey see as we sweet. See like now you go 16 and 17-year-old. No, you say now.
Which 17-year-old look like Ben now? Oh, stop it.
Because I don't understand.
Which kind of rough play with that? You know be 17 years old. I don't deceive yourself.
Because he played in head.
No. Forget if you carry all this thing out now, you baby.
He go still no be 17 years old.
You can pass for a 17 years old.
No,
just carry
Lady J, I passed for 22.
Yes, now.
22 I feel believe, but not 17.
Lady J, what did let them do to you?
I'm going to the video, don't worry.
What did you do here, Azam?
Now what? So when they talk, Lady J, you know my baby girl.
Yeah.
I have to first give the deep sigh. My baby girl is in love.
Which of your baby girl?
My sister picking.
Wait, how old she be? How old she? 10. And she dey in love with who?
I want to read the letter.
She write letter. I don't need the letter.
I want to read the letter.
Oh yeah, read the letter.
I shock.
Hey God.
I shock. I can't feel so old knowing that my 10-year-old niece can write such a letter to a boy.
Okay, oh yeah, read the letter.
Okay. So let me read it. May God bless you as you all listen. Because this one shocked me. So the letter goes like this. Dear Andrew, love.
Mm-hmm.
I heard you thought I betrayed you for Adiolu. Grade 4.
Yeah, listen, I never hear anything.
And Alex, but I didn't. You have been the one I liked ever since my first lover left the school.
So she don't first get one guy. We don't listen.
Hey God. Hey. Oh my God.
Andrew, love, you are amazing funny. And you are very romantic.
Oh my God.
10 years old though.
So I will never leave you for any reason. This may be the last time you might hear from me if you don't accept me.
Jesus.
And if you don't, I might have to move to another boy.
Hey. 10-year-old.
I hope I get response from you. Thank you for reading this letter. Love, Annie.
Yeah?
Becca, you sure?
This girl sit down compose this letter herself.
Yes, she put love. I'm gonna that love, and she put love heart by the side. When she write dear, when she write the boy in, she put dear, put love in between, put the guy in, put heart.
When you finish, give Lady J me she say.
Yes. The guy's in love.
I did shock. I did shook.
That girl will come that day.
I did shook.
That is her handwriting.
Because I still me say them there around. I say I say where she there around you. God.
So how wait. So how you get your hand on top the letter? Sure, Mama.
So I did hospital. You know, because of this
yes
thing what happened to me. So I just say Mama they do Holy Spirit. I commit this girl onto your hand. I can't say and you know this way they give me Anastasia, I be waiting the color. Where they give me just the warehouse. I tried to look at you, they say Holy Spirit, please this girl, and she just want to enter GSS1.
Voila.
She just write
common entrance.
She go enter GSS by September. So I tried to say she shout Holy Spirit, please. Holy Spirit, this girl must not disgrace the family. This girl must not. I can't look. I say waiting happen. She said no. Annie is in love. I say in love. Like I don't understand.
Good.
God say make I check my phone. Say I hope I don't screenshot something sent to me. And I see the phone. I say who write this thing? He say na Annie. The writer. Say in Papa came across it in her bag. Because she would know they are around because she come for Becca and the girl. So now their papa tried to take them to school and get them prepared. And so you see the letter for her bag. Say as the papa see the letter. Say the papa cannot take it. First call him, my sister. Say come. there is fire on the mountain. What is going on? 10 years old. What is going on? So I can't ask the mama, you know the Andrew? He say yes, so now in classmate too.
Now one fat boy.
Say now one fat boy like this.
Oh, she's good for the chubby guy.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. She don't ask her before, say, who don't ask her, do you like Andrew? He say yes, he's my my colleague,
classmate.
That is my classmate. Say he can't ask her, oh, there is not to say there is not, but it's just my classmates. Only for the papa to see the love letter. I don't know. As I tell my wife, but yes, the wife would just shout.
She feel do am she feel do am innocently, shao.
Innocently, bow.
No, but na innocently. I'll tell you
now.
why. Because naturally, you know, the children of these days, the way they grow up, and the way they mature, different from the children of our days.
Yeah.
Even those days when we still young, get something so we just say those days with the hide and we these days everything they more open now. First thing with the parents should go thank God now say the girl don't they like boy.
Number one.
She know they like girl. Number one,
okay.
Praise the Lord.
Praise God.
Number two, na natural feeling. I remember one time my daughter got to talk about Alim. There's one Alim. Now I investigate him. Who be this Alim boy? Now the boy they carry first for class. She and Abigail they drag first and second first every time. I say no wonder she like. I come wonder say Abigail. I always hear talk. I say Alim is my friend. I say is that all? Yes. Now I like him. He's nice. He's always respectful. You know. My daughter always like people where they behave the right behavior. I say okay. Is that all? I say yes. Are you sure? You say yes. Now I like him. You know. I say fine. So I I can go pick him for school. That I could look out for the Alim. Where is the Alim? How are you? Go say fine. And the boy na albino.
Okay.
Fine albino. He eye green like Fino. Fine boy. Nah, the boy no cool in Nigeria again. They don't jack go Canada. Yeah, family. But that time when they see they from the when we come that time my daughter start from I think from JS primary 2, 3. So now from that time I thought I'm not the. But I don't notice that she get set of people who class where she like and they get her favorite. And that Alim be her favorite. But nothing go beyond that. No letter, no nothing. You understand? So God always monitor them. That my daughter. My son when they secondary school, the time my son they secondary school, when they university, now when they secondary school, you get girlfriend now.
You talk
until I can't catch him. Finally they get girlfriend, they even kiss for staircase for school. Now they see his phone. My son they TikTok I don't even know. In the name of say he get phone, make don't teach them. But when I come find and say all those I can say look. Which I can't tell them, but at least the first one I tell myself, I thank God say at least I get they like
no be man.
A natural feeling for boy to like girl, for girl to like boy. As a parent, once you discover and the first thing nobody to shout, hey, the world don't end, want you. First of all, realize say the pikin they behave in a natural way. A natural thing for male to like female. But you can't need to sit down with the pikin now like a friend, can't let her know say this thing where they feel a natural thing. But he get time for everything, the time never reach. My son I threatening her to leave the girl. If you friend this girl for this country, you are not going to do master anything abroad. I won't pay.
So you threaten.
So
it's either you get girlfriend in Nigeria and stay here, or be free and go there. Different girls there. You see Japanese, you see Chinese, you see American, you see Canadian, you see white.
God doing.
When I tell her, I say, look, I opened website of different universities abroad. Show them, looks different students. Can you see them? Different colors, white, tough, black, fair, Chinese, Japanese, Indians. I say, look, when you go up school abroad,
you will see
the number of girls. And I say, okay.
Look at this man.
I say, okay. Tell me which of these girls is that your girlfriend final that? Yes. No, I said, look at their hair.
No, we are all beautiful.
No. So now I went to crop that action that time.
I said, which one she find pass? Wow, beautiful. They the two most beautiful girls in Nigeria. Why not go arrest them for choosing one girl as finer than everybody else?
But those children where you show I'm not they are not the most beautiful too either.
But those ones them beautiful pass the one way they
now
I show I said okay, look at the environment for the school. I said I can't tell her all the opportunities where I said look, all these opportunities you go miss her. I said if you afford to pay your school fees abroad, no. Fine, now me go pay her. The condition and say you must not forget if I
say get girlfriend.
First of all, I first investigate the school where the girl they go. University, they will not go to the same school. And so that's why I take end up. But I get a let her know say number one, getting girlfriend at this stage, no they correct because in the age never reach. Then secondly, the future. Because I said, at your mature age, now my son will be say, I enter my son bathroom in the bath, I shout, Jesus. if I go collaborate, I go bring pikin come house.
Now your fear be that.
Yes, why don't go fear? So he don't mature. It's a different in this one and a small pikin. That boy there says, my son, if he touch that girl once, na carry go.
Something was there.
Before you go to the God is in the ground pan. No. So I don't want that guy. You understand? Now,
God.
So I get to sit down and let her know the implications of relationship. The right time we go get relationship. Why relationship? What make it important? But I emphasize say na natural feeling to like again.
Yeah.
But decide say at the right time now you go begin. When I show him all the options, my son see different kind of girls. He tired now. Himself he correct his brain.
See,
you understand?
options,
so now what your parents go
day.
do? Like this small girl now, go let her know say okay, so you like this, but it's a natural thing to like boy. But the big but I can say time for everything. Don't be by 10 years. So if you get picky where they encourage you, boy or girl, you need to stop. Point who them be. So that I go tell you to stop being this person's friend. So good thing is that they go secondary school.
Yeah.
They should go school away from all these people. So the parents need to investigate. Parents make that boy no go the same school.
Because I notice say this girl, normal like they always call us, man, any girl, she say, stop calling me girl. I don't like it. Stop calling me girl. I'm like, I don't understand. You say my baby girl, say I'm not a baby. I say, eh? Yeah,
well, see, even this baby, even my 2-year-old goddaughter, Riri believes say she be big girl. The other pikin na baby. So she go dey point say it's baby. So to her she be big girl. She big pass somebody. So na natural. Say baby is crying. So I say you are not a baby? She say no. She feels you know the girl now. You know her now.
Small, I don't dey put am on my children head. Say look, the reason the rich they grow richer because they strategize.
And they make the right connection.
Which of Atiku pikin you don't see we marry poor man or poor woman? Which of Buhari pikin marry poor person? Now minister, governor pikin. Why they school abroad? The rich they marry themselves, they move on.
Yeah.
You understand? Easy to get husband. Somebody for don't go marry copy now. No be Oyibo she dey date and the other are footballer. People wey hold them side. You can the reason why poverty they increase now because poor man they live for poor area, grow up for parents are poor people. He see poor girl. Date time, they marry one for the poor area, they stay the same place, the children grow up, go poor school, grow up other poor children, fall in love for the poor classroom, give belle, born. They call it social continuity. Now the terrible destination be that if you pikin grow up for poor area, only poor girl now they see. Na there you go fall in love with it. And the poor school you go.
But you know me say that girl go take poor forever. The girl she fit decide to
after they don't born pikin for the poor area.
No.
Okay, somebody like a Vicky.
Everybody when they upgrade, they leave. When you upgrade, if you upgrade, leave. Once in a while they come the area, come identify we dey this area. But when they upgrade, leave. Go the area where busy, go the particular area they go see people don't upgrade. From there, they will begin to look for people where they are at a certain level. So that they will begin to go up. They don't go upgrade, finish, come back, come look for wife or husband.
Exactly.
Somebody like a Vicky James we grew up at Ajegunle.
Me I no grow up at Ajegunle. That the shock you no grow up at Ajegunle. Where they live now?
They live abroad.
When was the last time that Shoki see this country?
Daddy Shoki lives in Dublin.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So basket match where we grow up. Don't be this Ajegunle.
Baba Gode now don't live at Ajegunle. The suburb, Maryland.
True now.
So you want
all of us grow up on that place where don't find our one small thing. Let's say tell at America. Basket match they live for Lekki and abroad. You understand? Me no be Maryland at the we dey look for where to run.
Come out.
Everybody, Samson Siasia, we school they play football there. They stay there. Sunday only say. When they stay? No be Ajegunle boys. Ikpeye Kong, everybody. You see them buy house for Ajegunle. That Lekki. Igalo, Joy Igalo, they live for where? The same place where Burna Boy they live for Banana Island. But Ajegunle, he play ball.
Even Vicky James, our store where she open. Now why she not go open her for Ajegunle?
In fact, she tell her mama say she need to upgrade. Say most of her customers they there. No, they go there.
She can go there and give back.
Give back. They go there. They do give back.
But they need to run first to go make them before they come back. So I tell my children, if all the no matter how you like Genevieve is single. I like Genevieve. I go like those times. It get places where you know go see her.
Of course. Definitely.
If you no go certain places, you no go fit meet her.
True.
E get places where you go where you go meet the kind person where you want toast, where you want like, and that kind of places once you don dey there naturally, everybody around there go assume say you belong.
Yeah.
So na strategic positioning. So when your pikin dey go, okay, now wetin you fit afford na government school, na school no too cost for poor area. You need to let your children concentrate on the school, and making good grades to run. Because they say, don't go dey fall in love with poor man pikin. Make the poor man pikin sef look for how he want to escape. Because that's why social jokes apart, if you know how many boys who I grew up with for area, wey senior me, they call me bros now because they look for money. My big brother, please help me. My daughter is sick.
They turn you to big brother.
People wey be my elder sisters and classmates wey no gree, na dem dey do jaguda fight up and down for school in those days. My papa dey tell us say put your head for book. They no finish secondary school. They dey think say things go remain like that. They do jaguda up and down. Now they no get what they no get. Every time they ask for money, countless number, they go dey call me bros. People wey me dey call bros. If I pick and say bros, go say bros. No, you be bros.
Bros.
You understand?
Battle of the
So I
bosses.
don't see wetin dey happen if you grow up for that kind. The opportunities dey very limited, and na only 3 ways if you get out to break out on that poverty opportunity. For that place with opportunity, number 1, talent, football, music, anything where you fit do, dance, sports.
Yeah, arts too.
Number 2, either you commit crime, you go steal or anything, they no catch you, you can't run. Or 419, all those things. The other one, just say you just dey so good for school, can't get scholarship one way. There are people like that. So that you go academically, you can't dey so good, you can't get scholarship, you can't come out, or you commit crime, or you follow talent. But how many children dey such places? How many, you know, the number of footballers wey Jagule we no finally make out for football. You get some way better pass people wey don play for Super Eagles. So this pool dey very small. So you need to dey put am for your children head in order for them not to live the same life wey you live, try to escape. They need to make sure.
See, my own be say how to take know somebody wey dey romantic.
By 10 years old, and she not really. She know the word. She know the. Maybe the boy they tell her say, "Any, you're fine.
You're fine. I like your hair.
That be romantic for her.
That one of the first thing wey come to my head. I still understand you're funny, right? Everybody can be funny, but romantic.
Romantic for them.
Romantic na practically na basically care.
Exactly.
When you care about them.
You help am sharpen my pencil. You help am carry bag.
They think their class work.
To her na love, na romantic. Yes, now.
He keeps it for them.
But I go praise the girl. The guy fat. The girl they think about.
She know they body
now. And then they think. You know they go tell you say her mind clean. Because you know they really look physical appearance. Because each like they look. If they go to say that the guy will be this set, yeah, but he go say this guy I don't.
And funny enough, her papa another thing wey he like about the daughter for the letter be say her daughter know she don't get that mentality now say she don't know her worth and value. Like if you don't want me, I'm moving on.
That one enter like
that one I worry me. Let me say that one of say he just like one boy. She said she ready to move on to another person. The boyfriend approach. If I date this one, you don't agree.
Exactly.
So I think for her, she be very intelligent girl. She be very. I love her. She express herself.
Yeah.
I don't feel express myself at her age.
Like
her age. You go hear them. So the best thing to do with expressive children, because now one of the mistakes where my parents make with me, I be very expressive speaking. What you do to them now, say you sit them down and you talk to them. Let them know make I use Oyinbo word, the pros and the cons. Let them know say for her to like a guy like Godwin talk, they normal, natural, but time dey for everything.
Yeah.
Let them know say a time go come when she go like a guy and it no go be problem. It no go be wahala. Another thing if it be say maybe some other girls in class don't they talk say oh I like this guy he don't they enter.
Yeah, but children normally that's how they talk amongst themselves. I like.
I get one guy I be a 9. I get one guy where I like his name na just because he dey school for London.
When you be 9
I get crush so I don't tell anybody. Now only me and myself know say I like the guy. But now I sure say if I see him I go even say me like this guy, God forbid.
All right, Madam Vera, she's saying, Orishi, all these children safe. I cannot even share on air what I saw on my 4-year-old son doing.
You
Omo, I beat him. I no go lie. God will help us.
Go help parents. It no dey easy because parenting nobody dey hand you a manual say hey this na how to raise pikin. Sometimes na out of mistakes wey they don't make. Because me as I dey pray for myself every day. Say I no go be a version of wetin I grow up with.
I try to think about I don't think I really get. I don't know. But normally you suppose remember from 9-10 years old if you really like somebody, right?
You like I didn't like tell you say I like.
I don't remember say I like anybody while growing up.
Me, I don't like any girl.
Like as of
the only reason why I like that guy because of say in accent because he dey school for London.
So you get the UK accent.
So you get that UK accent. So I always like
the trip.
When he talk, I always like him. You know, I dey like all those that accent. But after that,
this my niece too. You don't see some of our videos. She always talk. My name is and I'm from film cartoon where she dey watch. So somehow to all those accents, so she don't get those accents. I don't even tell her mama say I wish say all this travel where I dey travel. I want to take her, make she see.
Life.
She needs to see.
Because
she needs to no exposure. Exposure they good also because it they help. It they broaden the mind of every child.
Yeah.
Now, but you need to put a balance to the exposure. If you did too much, they bad.
At 10 years old, she's still too small.
She's still too small.
To
I got my first girlfriend when I'd be 17 when I did SS3, but they don't take me before then. No.
Can you imagine?
By force, by fire.
One auntie take you.
What was your auntie now? She like 5 years senior me.
They need to arrest her.
So now auntie she go be 16 that time.
And
they need to arrest her.
Something.
She be like 23, 24 that
time.
They need to arrest them. That because you be minor.
When she take me that time, you know that first feeling of
I'm not a man.
My body shock. Like that's why you don't reach where they go. When you go, I can't cry. See, I don't lose my virginity.
I
can't cry. The way my other mother I can't report that to my other brother say, see what person doing. My other brother say, so how many times you do it?
Hey God!
Remember I say no. He say no, I fall the hand. Say no. Say next time. I make sure say I go again. Say next time I do like 2 times. So you have to go fight for me. They make me
encourage you.
They encourage you. No,
they push me go do them again.
No, your brother is a bad influence.
I can't go
Very
back.
bad influence.
I can't go back again for that same. The same auntie comes, but that time come be 2 times too. After that second 2 times, now I just tell myself, say, they don't spoil you finish. Your life is
finished.
So no more tears again. I don't
You don't harden your heart.
So after I can't take. Before I can't get girlfriend by 17, I don't go touch my girlfriend. That my partner always threatening us that time. My girlfriend come house, come visit us, go there for room. We go just say the gist, no do anything. When she already escort her go, my partner go say, well done, no. Just know that if she gets pregnant, I will rent 1 room for you, buy you a bed and a pot and a stove, and you start your life. So when you don't talk bed, pot, stove, I dey fear. I no get money. I know they go say. I go say okay. So when she come, they look at. If I look at, they remember the bed, pot, and stove.
The kind of life.
Me one of the icy I want you now.
Where you get
my own. My papa say nothing happen though. He just assume for him head say I get boyfriend. Say I will marry you out. At what age? At 14.
When I come finally break up with her.
With the auntie.
No, this is
okay,
like my
with your girlfriend. Okay.
Maybe my mate. Because we'll be the same 17. We date from 17, 18. So when I come get admission at 19, enter school. When I come back, they say she won't marry somebody else. Go get one rich man, he won't come. The guy get money inside her, and I feel I can't die. So the family can't struggle. So as the family struggle, they can't struggle. One rich guy come say one
marry the girl.
People can't force her to marry. When I come back, they can't say your girlfriend don't. Mama can say your girlfriend don't marry you. Something like that. That time my mama tell me say, so all this one they together, you know they touch her. I say they touch her. Mama say because even that my papa go threaten me rich. If I don't come, they will call the discuss. This boy go see bring pikin come house. What you go do? Mama say if you bring her, we go take care of the pikin. So then they plan to take. They don't make plan. Say she go see get belle.
Yeah.
Not doing say me I need they touch her because I dey fear.
Waiting they
room pot.
What pot? Me I dey fear. I fear marry you out.
That's what they tell me. Maybe I for continue because auntie don already open.
See, Baba God, they make it no be like na only you dey talk. Let them dey talk say e normal. So we need to hear your own part.
Normal.
The one you say one auntie.
Yes,
Which age you be that time?
17 years old.
17 auntie do
Yes,
so you
now.
too,
Yes,
that kind
now.
thing.
How many years be auntie?
She don't even marry that time.
Let
This
them.
I just I think they talk and I just now true now.
Wait, you
Na
do-
mommy too.
you do marry woman?
Wow.
Yes, now secondary school boy now you go wear boss and one side compound now. So that time that kind thing, if you dey inside where we say the compound people full, no, now you go come out afternoon now people.
You live for face me and face you.
I live.
Na face me and face you dey happen when
I live. Oh, yes,
This
now.
is their own case was so married woman.
Married
Yes,
woman.
now.
And you dey even say yes now like say
You better dey answer your question.
you know wetin you dey do, I mean na the auntie dey control you.
So I don't know what I dey do, but it come like open say okay, now like this dey be. Go chop indomie, not chop food.
So na Indomie now make them turn you set to Indomie.
Eh?
You are what you dey laugh
I dey
now?
sorry for language.
Hey God.
Hey, but we don't, so we don't get the better understanding now. So okay, all these auntie, all of them don't dey come inside.
No, but no be single auntie na married auntie.
There's a bit same message. Let me
Exactly now. Come enter.
Leave door open.
Come enter. So come exactly now.
Auntie Rebecca.
That time. You know where they start. No, where they start from.
Auntie Joy.
Auntie Joy Bawo.
Okay, you
Auntie Joy Bawo.
Enter
come. When you enter the room, you don't say it inside room.
It dey inside room.
Bring her come room.
This one, I remember vividly. That she just back finish. Take cream, help me rub my back.
Na for there it start.
Wait,
Na for
her
there it
husband
starts.
no fit rub her back for her. Na you will come make her.
Husband dey work now after school now. The school will close at 2 o'clock now. You must get chance by that time now. So
Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
as oga government just say that time say you need to comot from some kind area because e go influence you somehow.
No be only me. All the guys wey grow up in
my
man
God.
man dey call everybody. Man dey want everybody.
So all of them are sister.
Pasaka,
Hey.
Etekamba, Marshall, Daniel,
Oh.
Ime, all of us go to they take us.
and for instance no go fit tell your parents. No go fit tell like.
And then a different aunties from Paulina to Ikaite.
Hey. When you say Paulina Makrita bi.
Yeah, Paulina Makrita, that's Paulina.
So you don't tell your brother about
Later
him. You
on.
just keep him to yourself.
So again, because we get 6 boys in my family, now 1 girl. So I see my brothers say, okay, oh no. So if you tell your brothers, don't say, hey, now you guy, you.
Yes, now.
They go encourage you.
No, don't be say encourage.
My elder brother, if you say, if you see the auntie wey my elder brother dey take. My elder brother na as in don mature, in dey in the 20 something, maybe me 17. But that auntie go there like 30 something. Auntie yellow, it be like Juliet Ibrahim. Fine, up front everything. That auntie my brother dey take that time. My elder brother that time.
Hey.
He go dey compare say, you know they see wetin me I dey take.
Hey.
See if you
you can't go to only one, come back.
if you do your research, boys who don't finish the secondary school, after WAEC, do your research. I'm gonna for this.
But see, I can imagine you say you still small that time because for you to be like this, you go carry like.
No, we sleep now. We go
Yankee now.
You just sleep now. So most of the time say some men they like small girls. Some women did too.
You know say they trust too much. For instance, now the first time my papa talk to me about sex and all those things, now when they tell me say if you give am belle, but none of my parents ever sit me down one day tell me say
exactly.
Adult fear abuse you. Nobody tell me anything about sex.
My mama na Bible she
even I learn now from that babe.
Exactly.
Nobody tell me anything.
Now one of the things that we go through when for our for our own generation, nobody really tell us anything. Say CRCB. Now only threats. Like I talk, my papa say marry you out. I will marry you out. You go and live in his house. And how old I be? I just be 14 years old. Wow. I don't want to go live for man house.
You don't come out like
only a year.
You know, say you get some kind of girl. If you like, okay, well, I just tell you something.
Let me tell you, okay, let me tell you one thing.
They never tell why they ask.
I know, my God, I don't see my papa for office as I dey go house. Now the following day for morning devotion, they talk am. See as I dey go, one man they say, who be this girl? Who is this girl?
Because this your hip, don't they come
So
no, let's
so my papa now waiting he carry come the time when he warn me.
I tell you why your body talk like that. When I dey do morning runs, I dey say for Ipaja that time, I dey leave house like 5 o'clock in the morning to finish here 6 to come do morning runs with Sabina and Nosh baby. He get one street, one man went there for the last house on my street that time. The man get 3 girls, fine yellow girls. All of them they go on secondary school. We see them my street. Would they get in and finish secondary school? They don't finish secondary school at 15, 16. But if you see these girls, they're fine, front, back. Now that you gonna say this one, that mature, that girls who don't mature physically,
but for age wise,
about we, me and my guy, with the na children, as far as we are concerned. Every morning, if I dey drive comot like 4:45, I make her dey come walk. The man go dey escort the daughter. We don't enter Unilag. We don't be 17. Make go enter bus to go school. Man, give her lift, reach. I dey come my land. I go pass through your back. The man go say no.
Yeah.
My daughter can enter your car. She went at the bus. I said, but I go to the street direction. Say, Mr. Godwin, I see your daughter can enter your car. The man, when they are calling the girl, when I come out for work, when they are calling the girl, they come and say, why your papa they stop? He said he's afraid of you that you should wear face cap and t-shirt and you look like a young boy. He doesn't want you to carry me to another place. Like you're dropping me in school. And my father does not want anybody to abuse. I said, boy, you just go abuse. He said, no, my father does not believe that men like you can see young girls like this. And that my father is afraid. I said, so why he put you for boss now? You know that he stop for one job.
You understand?
But because the way the girls look physically, man will not get self-control.
But funny enough, you know, say me and my sister, now so my papa they see us off too. When my sister, my papa send us message. We know say we they stay for Bako N 2-story building. My papa neck go dey like
back on the
till we go, he go stretch the neck till we go and come back. Sometimes if anybody just mistakenly say hello to us, we tell him our father is looking at us.
For their mind now that they protect you.
Yes, you go say our daddy is at the balcony, he's looking at us, don't talk to us. And funny enough, the way that papa sits our mouth don't move. When we reach out to go ask us, who is that man? Where they behind now?
Exactly.
I said, daddy, we didn't talk to anybody. Baba say your mouth move. Our papa go notice from the balcony.
So man, you don't even talk to them. You know, even white powder. If you put white powder for face,
powder.
They don't defy you, Abi. They don't defy you. Oh, good evening. Because we get one place for just what they call good evening, sir. That now all these call girls. I don't want to use that particular word.
Yeah.
They get one particular place. They call them.
They call it good evening.
Good evening, sir. Now where they stay? now where they gather? So once you and that place that they sell, when I go marry, when I go conscious. So I go take on a tour.
So good evening, sir.
No, that place na suya spot.
Go past that side, it goes.
No, suya spot. So most times, because of say that they sell suya, they go come camp for there.
Okay.
So anybody will drive. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. So they say, don't they do good evening, sir? Because they want us white powder. So don't they do good evening, sir? Oh, you know they follow them. No problem.
Hey, Jesus. So good morning, Godwin. Your analysis is spot on. Justice from UK. Now that analysis where you give earlier, Baba go there. Which one? Waiting consign us. Oga Godwin. Igalo and Bonabo are not staying in Banana Island. They stay in Vintage Estate.
I know.
Which one be Vintage Estate?
Where's that place?
How you take to say they did Vintage Estate?
They get house there. They get extra house. It's still not one house they get.
I don't know the Vintage Estate. And somebody sent a voice that they say, please, you people must play my voice note.
Oh yeah.
Let's hear what he talk before we go pack our load.
Good
morning on Naija FM. This is a topic when they talk like this. A very interesting topic. Oga Godwin, this the point you give na very good point to but when you pamper a child like that, now say they start primary school, grade 4, going to GSS 1. Now start to write love letter like this. He bad now. By the time you go to second, I just discipline about seven students now with 2 girls. The girls were so lucky they escaped, but the boys, all of them, I disciplined them just 30 minutes ago before I start this topic.
Wow.
You know good. What's no good? No good. If not to be discipline by beating, fine. If not to discipline by doing 1 or 2 things, at least make the pikin they fear. See when the pikin reach that age, no say yes. By this time I'll be adult. Thank you.
Now by beating.
No, not be by beating.
No, by beating because
I don't discuss the beating. They work for children.
you know
No, they work,
this
oh.
generation, these children.
Beating, they work. This generation, and they get too many things where they like, where they love. If you find out the easiest way to discipline pikin, find out what they begin love.
Take him.
Then deny
him that thing.
as punishment. He head will correct. Once you don't know, my sons. Once I answer my son, I don't want to see your hand in the video game again.
Yeah.
The next 1 week you go see behavior. You go they clean everywhere, they do everything. Maybe I enter a room now, say, this boy don't go school, scatter the entire. Because say, when I enter your room when you go school, every year scatter. If I see you near video game for the next 2 weeks, you're in trouble. You go down the thinker, hey, what I go do to please you? After that, you go see call knock one day. Who is that? Yeah, it's me. Can I come here? I say, come and say, Daddy, I want to apologize for all I did. I say, why you apologize? Because of
video game.
He said, no, I just want to say I'm sorry. I will say, fine. But the video you are still banned.
Yeah.
You go meet your mama, help me beg.
Okay.
Mama go say, but you don't apologize. Then you go say, but I want Daddy to lift the ban on the video. My daughter, before if I say, I'm disappointed in you, she don't cry. Now I need to walk again now. You understand? But I just say, don't ask me for anything, I won't give you. She could just melt. That thing what she do what she don't like, she go come apologize. And so I don't discover say if you use what the children like, they punish them. They go no say
You know,
Do you know the only thing I can use to threaten this my niece? Not to tell and say I go carry her other siblings go abroad. See, I don't go. Now the only thing I've been threatening.
She go begin cry.
If I say, she can't say, she go to your first man and is. I don't know why nobody likes me. I said I lie. I said I lie. All of a sudden nobody likes me. I said you do something wrong. They say because I don't know why nobody likes me. He said I'm all alone. I said you're all alone.
But they call emotional blackmail. I don't tell you one time now, prof boy. I tell her say make you know watch a particular movie, go watch him. Now I say okay, you know what? As I dey talk to him, he can't dey cry. Why are you doing this to me? You are breaking my heart. You are hurting me. I say hey, I'm hurting you. Okay, this tears it no go work. It no go work.
Hey, una good morning, no. Oga God, I wish say you be my papa. My life for better pass like this.
Oh.
Hey, whoa, hey, yeah. Good morning, my Naija people. For this our children, I will still prefer to adopt 70% of Gen A. My grandfather training with a little of Gen Z because my father go reset your brain with slap before he talk to you. Me, I be 14 years when this Akwa Ibom lady use 5 naira take me. Now she put the spoon by herself.
Men no dey talk on top this thing.
After the doing my body cold. Imagine an agile boy just went cold and my uncle that I lived with noticed something was wrong but I couldn't say anything.
That not the generation of you know fit talk.
No fit talk now.
Hey, yeah. Good morning to you. Happy New Month. Oga Godwin, you don't want big grandpa. Sweetie from Anthony. Oga Godwin, please can I DM you? I would like you to be my godfather.
Oh, na girl, I be na guy.
I don't even know. No
Because
name.
one thing that Godwin don't talk so he say he get radio daughters. He no fit do radio sons.
I don't know if na, but I don't know. If you let us know, you be a woman.
You be girl, I be you be guy.
So Baba God, you can't be a godfather to a girl.
Godfather to girl. I feel be godfather to girl.
Okay. So
No guy. I dey talk about the guys.
Because I'm a guy.
It depends. Very rarely.
The guy say na guy.
Well, it depends. It depends on the kind of person.
Whoa, if you want Baba God to be your godfather, be ready.
Be buckle up, oh. Buckle up.
Exactly what in Becca lady.
Buckle up.
I get that for mine too.
Oh
No.
God.
He's a very, 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 very extremely strict person.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
No, the English like we use. All the very, very extremely.
No.
Before I tell you, say any little thing, I don't have time for stupidity.
I don't have time for latitude. Now you won't be Godfather. We will not be God's children. We be colleagues.
Don't let them threaten you. Don't mind them.
No, they threaten you.
Like that.
Hey, Godwin. Wait. Make I correct something. Get one time. I go rephrase them towards Godwin. Get what I tell my uncle say. Bible say make you they treat us ladies with meekness. With we as a weaker vessel. We say una mouth no weak. Godwin, your mouth harsh. the harshness of your mouth. Hey God.
Maybe they go. 12 o'clock don't knock. No one believe say 12 don't knock.
No, you know when G's sweet.
All right, so let them. Maybe they pack our load.
Now they come back tomorrow.
For the sweet in the middle edition of Money Runs. No, let fake love deceive you. Only fake love.
Baby, any go there, all right.